Hey everyone, welcome to today's Steady Trader video. It is Tuesday, which means it is time for an actionable trade idea that I'm going to share with you guys that I've also shared already this morning with our Clubhouse members, Trade Alert clients, as well as the coaching clients. And so, as always, this is not advice, this is simply an idea. So what we can talk about is Apple, right? Who hasn't talked about Apple over the past couple of days? It's been a nice breakout. We've been seeing it all over the place. So let's just get right to the chart. Let me flip the camera, just get right to the chart. So if we look at the chart of Apple here through sort of a bit of a longer term lens, you can see that we really probably have reached the upper end of its trading ranges in just about every possible way of sort of looking at it. Let me just kind of give you a big picture view. So this is a long-term multi-year view. I'm going to make it a weekly chart. I've got some oscillators, some momentum oscillators down here as well. So let's just have a quick look at this. We'll draw some very simple lines here. And you can see by just drawing or connecting some of these dots, we definitely have reached the upper end of that trading range. I don't think there's any denying that. Of course, the question is it going to go beyond that? Well, you see momentum has certainly slowed down. We see negative divergence here and here, momentum not making highs while the stock is making highs. That's the long term. So I don't think this is necessarily a spot that you have to buy long term Apple here. But if you look at Apple more on a daily chart, there actually is a trade. And so I'm going to zoom a little bit closer, and you can see that Apple has had a very nice move here, breaking past simple technical resistance, and then it really slipped into this sort of consolidation phase, which is this area right here that we've now broken out of over the past couple of trading sessions. Now, let me just quickly make a quick point about this sort of pattern here. Technical analysis, one of the reasons why people are attracted to it is because it's what a lot of pundits will try to do is try to make it very simple that all you have to do to look for is this flag pattern or this whatever pennant pattern, which is what I'm going to show you here in Apple, or this moving average or that moving average. It's not that simple, folks. I hate to tell you, it really isn't. That's hopefully what you appreciate, what you're going to learn here in our YouTube videos here. That's why I go through all the effort of making a video every single day for you guys, because I need you to understand it's about the process, not about looking for a moving average or one pattern. It just doesn't work that way, right? So, nonetheless, let's have a look at what's going on here in Apple, and let's also keep in mind that Apple here is trending higher along with the broader technology market. It's not just Apple moving higher, which is a big consideration to understand. So like that's one of the big things we always talk about to our coaching clients and Clubhouse members. Nonetheless, we had a nice breakout here, and now we've consolidated, and now we're breaking higher. So the great thing about a big stock like Apple is that it will tend to gravitate towards big round numbers. And the next big round number is this one right here. It's $200. That's right here. Okay, so I don't necessarily think the stock has to go straight up higher into 200 bucks right now, but I do think as long as this area, this breakout point is somewhere north of 188 and change, as long as this can hold, I do think ultimately Apple can move towards 200 bucks. So this is a really good spot right now. Any strong bearish reversal that lasts more than a day or two, you stop yourself out. But I do think from a swing trading perspective, there's very well-defined reward to risk here. Again, the $200 area, which is right here, is a real simple way price target. And I do think at this point, now that we've cleared a lot of these hurdles, I do think that $200 area is one we could go to. So very simple analysis here of Apple. It's a massive stock. It's getting towards $1 trillion in market cap right now. And so, the more that kind of momentum goes behind, that's the great thing about Apple is everyone jumps on board. And so algorithms are forced to buy, fund managers are forced to allocate because they're indexing and all that stuff. So all of that, and then you've got the $200 price target, which I think makes this a pretty good setup. Again, any strong bearish reversal that lasts for more than a day or two, you want to get out. But I think for right now, this looks to be a pretty good setup. Hope those guys, folks. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Take care.